After riding Boulder Park, I made my way to a local state park to spend the night in my new truck camping setup. It was really windy and not so dark, but it was quite cozy in the new setup. I had a shower at the park, and then I spent some time exporting some footage from the ride in the camper. I'll show more of this setup soon. I'm still getting everything dialed in, so you'll see a full video on it coming down the line. After a good night's sleep, I made my way to Northshore. It was incredibly windy, and while most of the trail is nicely packed, there are some sections that are like sand and super soft. Oh, this is gonna be wet. Forgot about the little water crossings out here. Panic break. I knew this was coming, but the lip had washed out more than I remembered, and it made for kind of an awkward drop. I went back and chose a different line. And then I had to go back and ride this janky bridge that was right next to the last feature. Oh wow, I got sideways there with how loose that is. It's all so sandy. Oh, there's another one. There's lots of water crossings and tough but quick climbs out here.
Those are fun.
And that's it from Northshore. I would have explored more, but I had a 4-hour drive home and was ready to get going. I'm really excited to do some traveling with this new camping setup. I've even rigged up a temporary bike mount in there so I can keep my bike out of view when parking and to make it a little bit more difficult to steal. The next trip might be to Bentonville, but with the coronavirus stuff going on, I may not be traveling much. I suppose traveling this way is the safest. I never stay at hotels. I will only be around people if I see them on the trail, and I can just bring my own food so I don't have to worry about going to restaurants. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think of Northshore or what Dallas-Fort Worth trails I should visit next time I'm there. And thanks for watching.